Welcome. In this video, we will explore one of the most essential yet misunderstood areas of search engine optimization, that is off-page SEO. While on-page SEO happens within your website, off-page SEO involves everything happening outside your site to boost your search engine rankings. Off-page SEO refers to all the actions taken outside of your own website to improve its visibility, authority, and trust in eyes of search engines. Off-page SEO is crucial because it helps search engine determine how valuable and trustworthy your content is. Google uses backlinks and brand mentions to evaluate your site's authority and relevance. Let's break down the core elements of off-page SEO. These are the techniques that can help your website earn visibility and authority. Backlinks are links from other websites pointing to yours. They are like vote of confidence in the eyes of search engines. The more quality backlinks you have, the higher you can rank. There are many ways to earn backlinks ethically. The most effective strategies including guest posting, creating shareable content, reaching out to bloggers, and fixing broken links. Social media does not directly impact rankings, but it plays a big role in content distribution, brand awareness, and earning links. The more your content is shared, the more likely it will attract backlinks. Online reviews and ratings on platforms like Google, Yelp, and Trustpilot help search engines understand your business reputation. This is especially important for local SEO. Writing articles for other websites or getting mentioned in online publications can earn high quality backlinks and position you as an industry authority. Let's quickly compare off-page SEO and on-page SEO. Both are important, but they focus on different areas. Track your off-page SEO efforts using tools like Ahref, SEMrush, Moz, and Google Search Console. These tools show you backlinks, referring domains, and brand mentions. To wrap up, off-page SEO is about building trust, authority, and visibility outside of your own website. It is essential if you want to compete and rank well on Google. Thanks for watching. If you want to master off-page SEO strategies and grow your rankings, explore our full SEO course. Like, comment, and subscribe for more expert tutorials.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.